Good morning, children. Welcome to online classes. Okay, today topic is mainly national emergency and selected and comparison of the vice president. Okay, before going to class, previous class already we will discuss about national emergency and national powers of the control by the Union Council of Ministers. Okay. Chapter 3 Union Government. Union Government. Continue lesson on Union Government. Already we will discuss some important functions of Supreme Court and some important functions of President and some important functions of Prime Minister and President role. Next, control of the Speaker, Lok Sabha Speaker. We will discuss the previous classes. Today, topic is mainly about Vice President and National Emergency. Okay, President after second citizen of the India, Vice President. The Vice President, Chairman of the Rajya Sabha, and under the Constitution of India, Vice President also main important. So okay, the main important of the introduction of the system under the Constitution. The Constitution we will follow under the second citizen of the India, Vice President. Okay, election of Vice President and functions. Election of Vice President and his functions. We will discuss today. Election of Vice President, his functions. Election of Vice President. Election of Vice President. Election of Vice President and his functions. And his functions. Okay, student. Here, President after second citizen of the India, Vice President. The Vice President is the main key role of the under the President and Vice President under the Constitution. Okay, here mainly mainly follow the important of how to important the following points. Okay, main important of the following points we will discuss it. Okay, election of Vice President and his functions. Election of Vice President and his function. What is the main important functions? Number one, here acting as President, acting as the Vice President and chairmanship of the Rajya Sabha. Here main important function, how many types? Two types. Acting as okay, acting as Vice President, acting as Vice President, and number two, Chairman of the Rajya Sabha, Chairman of the Rajya Sabha. Chairman of the Rajya Sabha. Okay, we will discuss today acting of the Vice President. The Vice President mainly acting out under the Constitution rule. Okay, the Vice President in which article number 63. Article number 63 about mainly the Vice President, how to ruling, how to elect it. how to elected of the vice president, and what how to ruling of the vice president, and next what is the main functions about vice president. The vice president, it is the greatest of the person after president. Okay, the vice president, it is the mainly Kannada Rajya Sabha. Okay, Lok Sabha, some Lok Sabha also sometimes given some advices. Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. The Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, the Rajya Sabha programs, Rajya Sabha, some important of the Rajya Sabha schemes. Rajya Sabha schemes like main maintenance of the some important of functions under the control by the vice president only. Okay, so election of vice president and these functions mainly amount as two types. Acting of vice president, the vice president, article number 63, he or she mainly maintains of the control by the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. After president, vice president only mainly main power, the main power under the control by the vice president only. Okay, so the vice president, it is the main key role of the in our Indian national system, and Indian national struggles also. Sometimes so the vice president also mainly discussed and help of the president. The president and vice president same key roles there, same key roles. Okay, the spokesperson of the India, same key roles under the constitution. Okay, the chairman of the Rajya Sabha, the chairman of the Rajya Sabha also vice president. Chairman of the Rajya Sabha, Rajya Sabha meetings under the Rajya Sabha. Rajya Sabha actually this is the state-wise Sabha, state-wise. Like example, this Sabha, this is the common house under the category of under the total control by the Rajya Sabha. Who is the leader of the Rajya Sabha? Leader of Rajya Sabha and chairman of the Rajya Sabha, president of the Rajya Sabha, vice president only. Okay, the leader of the Rajya Sabha, the chairman of the Rajya Sabha and president of the Rajya Sabha. Who is the president of the Rajya Sabha? Vice president. So the vice president is the whole main power, the whole main power of the system. It is the main strongly decision, sometimes strongly decision also making of ideological system. It is president type of system. President not there, vice president only mainly duty of under the control by the whole nation. Okay, the whole nation under the control by the vice president only. So the vice president, it is the under the constitution of India, our Indian constitution, the vice president separate to ruling, separate power there. The separate power under the second president. Okay, second president of the system, it is called mainly second president of system. He is mainly maintenance of the executive departments, executives, legislative members. Okay, and executive councils, legislative members. Okay, these are controlled by the vice president. Any bill, yesterday we discussed already how many types of bills. The bills are two types: money bill, second order bill. Okay, money bill is mandatory, compulsory under the president. The president only use of guidelines. The president only use of guidelines under the constitutional theory. So the money bill is compulsory under the president. Rules and regulation, the president to rules. But the order bill is compulsory, not there. The order bill is not mandatory. This is this type of bill not mandatory under the president. Say the money bills also after Lok Sabha, after the Rajya Sabha. The Rajya Sabha, it is temporary house, temporary common house. Permanent common house Lok Sabha, but the Rajya Sabha, it is the temporary common house. In this house discussed under the members, the council members. Okay, the council members we will discuss under the discussion of the about Rajya Sabha leader, vice president. The vice president controlled by the head of under the Rajya Sabha members. Rajya Sabha members. Okay, this is the mainly election of the vice president and his functions. Article number, which article? Article number 63. The article number 63 about how to elect of the vice president, how to ruling of the vice president. Okay, what is the main power? The power how to implement it under the whole nation, the powering system. Okay, the powering system and rules and regulation also, particularly periodical type of elections. Okay, already yesterday we discussed ECA, Election Commission of India. This is the apex type of body under the union government. Okay, so this is the main power of the vice president. The vice president power under the second president after second type of system, second citizen of the India, vice president. Okay, so acting of vice president, the acting is under the resignation and the acting is during this period under the duties. The president duty also sometimes he is following. Okay, he is maintains. President absent there means the president duty also sometimes under the control by the sometimes Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha also. The salaries also mainly given some separate of salaries allowances the chairman of the Rajya Sabha. Okay, so these are the main important functions of vice president. Okay, acting as vice president, chairman of the Rajya Sabha. Okay, next topic, national emergency. National emergency. Okay, next national emergency. Article number 352. Article number 352 about the national emergency there. Article number 352. Okay, there are 352 article about what is the meaning of national emergency. The national emergency period mainly rights, some temporarily suspended of the rights. Okay, human rights and fundamental rights. So national emergency, it is the main power of the under the article number 352. So this type of powers under the control by the all over nation. The president of the India, declared of national emergency. Who is declared national emergency? The president of India. The president. Okay, the president of India. The president of India. Use of the article under the constitution rule. Okay, the president of India under the president of India. Use of the article number 352, declare of national emergency. Article number 352. Okay, this is the if he is the mainly follow the in different type of security type of conscience in all over India. The security type of conscience also we will follow the national emergency. Security type of functions like security councils. Okay. And emergency schemes. Security council and emergency schemes. Security council and emergency scheme. We are mainly maintenance of the national emergency. About Indira Gandhi period 1976-77. This period first time started 1976 to 1977. First time started the national emergency. Who is declared national emergency? The president of India. The president of India under the, for example, in war, the country problems. For example, end of the Second World War, many countries given some ordinance national emergency. the country situation, the country problem. Okay, so under the national emergency, the national emergency of India under the security of council, the security of council and the territory of regions, the territory of regions, security of council written of the under the majority of members, the majority of members will decide emergency or not. Okay, majority of members mainly use the voting system emergency period. 2 by 3rd of the parliament members. How many members? 2 by 3rd of the parliament members. 2 by 3rd of the parliament members mainly supported of the security council decide of national emergency. Decide of the national emergency. How many members are supported? 2 by 3rd of the parliament members. So the 2 by 3rd of the parliament members less than 2 by 3rd maximum, less than to the maximum here 450 below, 450 above approved of the parliament. The parliament approved and the parliament system, it is mainly parliament only responsible and separately, the parliament only separately given of the ordinance, the parliament given of the separate of the ordinance national emergency. So this national emergency total under the bill or the total act change or redesign total under the control by the president only. So the president, it is the whole power of the under the total nation. Okay, under the nation, the total threaten of the war. For example, war created of the nuisance in greatest of the war. For example, in country war, nation war. The war is also war time also. War time also mainly decide of the national emergency. Discuss about members. Which members? Parliamentary members. The parliament members discuss about under the president and prime minister. Okay, the president and prime minister and other members. Who is other members? Union, particularly Union Council of Ministers. Union Council of Ministers approve the 1 month or 2 months. Okay, 1 month or 2 months. You approve the 1 month or 2 months. Union Council of members approve of the 2 by 3rd members. 2 by 3rd members approve of the in this type of system. So it is called mainly national emergency. This is called national emergency. Next, Union Council of Ministers. Okay, Union Council of Ministers. Okay, what is the main duties? Union Council of Ministers and the Union Council of Ministers group out of them. The Speaker of the Lok Sabha and Union Council of Ministers rules. Union Council of Ministers. Union. Next topic is Union Council of Ministers. Union Council of Ministers head of the executives. Okay. First point here, the Union Council of Ministers head of the executives. Executive members head of the persons. Union Council of Ministers head of the executives under the cabinet, under the main important, under the main part of the head of the executive and under the main part of the Union cabinet. Union cabinet. Under the main part of the Union cabinet. Okay, here any bill accept or not accepted, any bills and any act under the prepared by the any bills, money bills or next any regional bills. The prepared by the bill under the control by the who is the prepared bill under the Union Council of Ministers only. Okay. Prepared any bill. Okay, we will prepare any bill or the bill change of redirection of act also. Okay, the bill and act. So the Union Council of Ministers main head of the executives, head of the executive members. The executive members ministry system. Okay, Union Council of Ministry system, Prime Ministership. The Prime Ministership, one of the Prime Minister appointed of the separate of department. Okay, under the Union Council of Minister. The Union Council of Minister appointed separate of department. Okay, this is the executive body. Executive body or electoral college body. Electoral college, executive body. Electoral college is also one of the main important of the in this system. Electoral college means both level parliament, state legislative assemblies and the elected assemblies. Parliament, the state legislative assembly. Okay, so it is called electoral college. Parliament, the state legislative assembly. State legislative, parliament and the state legislative assemblies and parliament executive members, parliament executive members, state legislative assembly, elected member of the assemblies, elected member of the assemblies, the parliament members, the state legislative assembly, elected member of the Delhi, Pondicherry, elected member of the UTs, Union Territories, elected member of the UTs, Union Territories of Delhi, Andaman Nicobar Islands, Lakshadweep Islands, Pondicherry, Dadra Nagar Haveli, okay, etc. So this is called mainly electoral college. Electoral college. The parliament members, all states legislative assembly members elected by the Union Territories, Delhi, Pondicherry, Daman Diu, Dadra Nagar Haveli, all are the members. So it is called mainly it is called under the electoral college. Electoral college. So this electoral college, it is also under the separate of system union government. Electoral college is under the separate of system under the union government, union system. So parliament members in both members like Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha members, all are state legislative assembly members and elected by the all over India union territories like Delhi and Andaman Nicobar Islands, Puducherry, okay, Daman Diu, okay, etc. These are total under the, it is called under the system of the electoral college. Electoral college. So the Union Council of Ministers is also under the one of the separate of system electoral college. Legislative power of the system also. Legislative powers and electoral college. So the Union Council of Ministers, executive members and union cabinet members, the union cabinet members, union cabinet ministers prepared by any bill or act, the prepared and next conducted and including of the total under the constitution rules. Okay, the prepared and conducted under the constitution under the constitution rules, total under the authority of the Union Council of Ministers, union cabinet members. Who is the union cabinet members? Union Council of Ministers group. The union members, Union Council of Ministers group prepared total all type of judges. He taken to the some types of ministers of group of any bill or next. The bill is also mainly announced of the parliament level. First in Lok Sabha, second the bill is mainly goes to other lower house, Rajya Sabha. Okay, so this is the main systematic of the main function of the Union Council of Ministers. Okay, today we will discussing already Union Council of Minister and about vice president, the vice president functions, the vice president rules and regulations, electoral college and union council of ministers, how to mainly prepare of the any bill and the executive members, how to mainly help of the union council of minister. Okay, the ministership, the president and the prime minister. The prime minister mainly prepared of the prime minister mainly conduct the meeting, cabinet meeting, the cabinet plans, the cabinet meeting under the constitution rules, under the article 356 and 356 2, the meeting it is under the leadership of ministership of the prime minister only, the prime minister and ministership. Okay, so this is the main function of the union council of minister. And electoral college also, electoral college elected by the all union territories, Jammu and Kashmir. Okay, next Daman Diu, Dadra Nagar Haveli, and all state legislative members. All states are legislative assembly council members and parliamentary both houses members. Okay, it is called under the ruling of system. It is called under the electoral college. Okay, these three topics we will today now discussing three topics. Okay, first one national emergency. Second one mainly the role model of the vice president. Okay, functions about under the vice president. Functions about the vice president. Vice president functions. Okay, and about under the article 60. Okay, 63. So next to union council of ministers, the group of union council of ministers, and next to electoral college. Electoral college. Okay, children, these are the main important topics of union council of ministers. Union council of ministers. The articles is also under the acting of the its presidents, the acting of the presidents and chairman of the Rajya Sabha. Who is the chairman of the Rajya Sabha? Vice president. Okay, the vice president, chairman of the Rajya Sabha, acting of the president, acting of the system under the union council also. Okay, so this is the main part of the union government. Union government. Tomorrow we will continue lesson tomorrow. Mainly one of the topic it is mainly legislatives, the legislative powers of Lok Sabha. Okay, the legislative power of the Lok Sabha, and next some other functions of judicial reviews of Supreme Court, particularly judicial review of the Supreme Court, legislative assemblies of Lok Sabha. We will discuss it tomorrow. Okay, students, thank you. Tomorrow we will discuss legislative assemblies and judicial powers.